4, all right? First of all, let's just start by looking through what's on your sheet, all right? The ASIS, you guys remember that, the anterior part of your hip, that's your fulcrum, all right? Now, the proximal stationary arm goes between the two ASISs, okay? Yeah, it should be chapter 8. Yeah, got it? Okay. And then the mobile part, the movable arm, goes down to the midline of the patella. All right, so go ahead and lay back. This is very similar to like what you got to get above. So ASIS right here. All right.
Is she low enough for you?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
All right, now with this, guys, you got to watch. You want this at 90 degrees. That's your starting point. So, all right, let's start right there. Because if you look, what's our range of motion for, I'm pushing too hard, tell me. Abduction.
45.
45. What about adduction?
30.
See, we're starting with this at 90, okay? Right here. So remember, this is your starting point, right? 90. So you got to translate when you move. So now you're going to move out to the side for me as far as you can, okay? Do not let them rotate, because what's going to happen? She's going to start throwing hip rotation. So rotate. There we go. Is that as far as you can go? Right there. All right, that's good. So she has, we went from 90 to 58. So what is that?
Better
32
than normal, right?
90 to minus 58.
42. Oh my gosh, 32.
She went from there to 58. All right. That's how many degrees? Abduction. 32. What's our norm?
0.45.
So she's a little bit shy, okay?
Oh, okay.
So now,
Yeah, she wears skinny jeans on the worst day.
I have leggings in my car. I'm not wearing.
now come back towards the middle. And so we went from 90 to about, so she's at 75, so she's about 15. What's normal, 30? And some of that you'll learn about even in more in 210 is what's called the Q angle, the hip, the way the hip comes out there to there. But norms are 0 to 30 or 0 to 45 for abduction. Midline, or the fulcrum over the ASIS, the stationary arm makes a line between the ASISs, all right? And then you use the midline of the patella, and you're starting at 90 degrees, okay? So there, and then that's my starting point now, because I'm using the midline of the patella. See, your jeans don't make it easier to find the patella.
That's what I said.
And so then you start from there. You don't have them starting like this, because you're not going to have any abduction issue. You start 90, okay?
Okay.
That hip, ab, and ag, okay?